What is up, guys? Good morning. Didn't film an intro, obviously. That was my bad on my part. I am on my way to Jacksonville. Obviously, that's a 2-hour drive here from Orlando. I'm gonna get the X pipe installed and that muffler delete. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. I'll see you on the highway. All right, guys. So I'm on the highway right now. And look at this. I'm making almost 30 miles a gallon on a V8. This is impressive. This is awesome. It's supposed to make 25 on the highway, so I'm like really impressed right now. Like, this is really good for a GT. Like, yeah, 30 miles a gallon. It's supposed to be making like 25 because, you know, a V8 not the most economical out there, but you know. Just give you all an update. I got like an hour and a half remaining. And yep, we're still on the highway. Alright, give you all update. Set your filet. Breakfast, you know. Basically, I'm here at the light to get back on I-95. So we're like an hour away. I think we're gonna make it when they open, so yeah, we should be there in good time. Literally, it's really boring here seeing the light. Oh, the light's just turning red, so it's about to turn green. Yep. Let's see. All right, green light. So my gas tank is like
Coast Parkway southwest for half a mile.
My gas tank right now is at 3/4. Still pretty good. I thought I'd be less by now. Like gas goes at 30%. But yeah, so I will see you at the muffler shop. All right, so quick tip: if you are going to, let's say, in this case, we are kind of straight piping the car because it's an X pipe and then a muffler delete. So technically, yeah. Make sure if you have the active exhaust for your Mustang, you can check by going into your settings and then going into exhaust mode. If you have that, be ready for the exhaust shop to charge you a little more, because then they have to zip tie the sensor into the compartment right by the exhaust, so the car thinks that the exhaust modes are still like active. That is obviously what the exhaust shop explained to me. Said, yeah, they do upcharge a little more so they can hide that sensor. So if you want to do any exhaust work, be prepared for that. Yeah, that's just how it is. I just wanted to let you know before we go to the exhaust shop. We're like 45 minutes away, so yeah. See you. Alright, guys, so we got the X pipe installed only. We're about to go to the other muffler shop because the muffler shop I went to, cool guy, awesome dude. Since he didn't have tips, so we're about to go to the other muffler shop so he can leak the mufflers in. But watch this sound, guys. It's like better than stock for sure. Like, it beefs it up a little bit. But without the mufflers, yeah. Dropping the second gear here, you're gonna kind of see that. Oh man, yeah, I can imagine without the mufflers. So we're about to go delete the mufflers right now. All right, so we just got the straight pipe done. Let's see how it sounds. Oh man, my neighbors are gonna be really, really mad. Most pops and crackles are. Oh my god, guys. Alright, guys. That kind of concludes today's video. Kind of short, my bad. I'm in the exhaust all day. But I'm gonna go have fun in this car. Walter from Walter's Car is signing out. So a little bonus clip here. At idle, you know, there is a little drone